Yeah.
Good evening. Welcome to Emily's restaurant. And follow me. This is the way. Hi, sir. What would you like to order? Pancake and juice. He would like to order pancake and juice. Okay, I'll make that. Emily's kitchen. So we're just gonna prepare my client's order and let's get started. He wanted pancake, and first we start with one big bowl of powder. And then after we take 1 spoon of salt. A little bit because you don't want too much. And then you would like to open this. Get it? Tiny bit. One. This. And then we get our egg, and then we're gonna take 3 tablespoons of milk. Now we're gonna take 1 big spoon and now we're ready to mix it. We're ready to mix. Can you help? So when it completes being mixed up and you see it's all good,
Little.
we're gonna take a look at our dough and see if it's okay. So it's okay. Now we turn it off. Then here. Now we're gonna take our basket out and go to where the oil is, and now we're gonna put some oil. A little bit of oil because you don't want too much for our food. Pancake. Now we're gonna put the mix. Now we're waiting for it to cook, and when it's ready, we'll have to flip it over with my spatula. I don't know if they use this in SpongeBob, or so I don't know how many minutes it's gonna take me. Maybe like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So let's wait. Now we're gonna flip it. It kind of looks like eggs, right? It does. So now we're ready. So now after this finished cooking the down parts, we flip it again and then we're ready to serve it. We're gonna put it in the plate. And we're ready to serve the food. Hope you enjoyed. Your food is ready. Enjoy your meal.
Ask again.
How was your food? Yummy. Oh, thank you so much for. Thank you, guys. Thank you. 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 Bye bye. See you next year. See you next month.